What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is 9:53 Central Time, June 20th, 2022, here in Minnesota. We're just coming with a quick, big update. It's been an eventful day here. I just got off work, so I haven't been able to make a video today of all the action. So we're just going to give you guys a quick rundown of everything that happened last night, early this morning, and everything that's gone on today. So we're going to take a quick look here at a camera. I believe we're on 193 angstroms HDMI. We're going to quick hit play here, and you're going to look right up in this this corner up there. Now that's what they're saying is a M flare on our planet, and it is producing solar radiation. This is as of earlier today. I will give you guys a quick view of what it looks like now. But yeah, that M shot did put us in a solar radiation storm. As you can see, the poles here are completely red. Up here creeping, I'm kind of right in this area right here. Right on in there, right where that pointer is. So it's getting awfully close to home. Here in central Minnesota is where I am located. Alright, we're going to go to the Space Weather Live and start taking a look at everything that is going on here. We got 29, 27, 29, 29, 29, 30, 29, 33, and 29, 34 named sunspots here, facing us, 5 of them. Here you can get a view of what it looks like now. The flare would have came off of this area right in here. They're saying 29, 29, and it had a pretty good view of it. We'll go take a look at it on the SDO. You got 2 spots coming. One there, one there. One there, one there. I do not believe those 2 were named. No, they were not named sunspots, but I mean, really, how are they not? We'll go take a look at SDO. As you can see there's the M flare that happened within the past 24 hours. We'll look at 24-hour view. So that would have been almost 24 hours ago, dead on. And it was a mid M2, almost an X, not quite, but on the SDO, it looks pretty gnarly. We'll take a look here. As you can see, we're still in the solar radiation storm. Poles being affected north and south. Not so much the north poles. Solar flares here. We'll go to SDO. And we'll show you guys what we got. We're going to be looking in this area right in there. Right after this, that's just the camera doing its thing. And there's the X. What they're saying is an M, but to me, I thought it looked more like an X. But it was a big shot. And then you got these 2 spots coming around there. That was 94 angstroms. We'll look at 170, 131. And there it is. We'll take a look at 171 angstroms. Look at these spots coming down here. They look nothing, they look meaner than the spot that made the M flare there. So now you can just imagine if one of these were to rip. Got some action on that backside too. That was 171 angstroms. We'll go look at 304. Boom, there's the X there. I'm calling it an X. They're saying it's an M, but it was facing away from us, so could have been an X, and we're just getting an M reading from it, which is what I think happened, personally. Sunspot regions, we'll go look at the one that's coming into our area now. This is going to be a player here. Going to have some action coming from it. I'm saying several M flares. And then you got more on the backside too. We'll go take a look at, but that's what it looks like there. Pretty deep sunspot there. We'll go take a look at. It's coming around the bend here. It looks like there's going to be a tail of another spot coming right down in that area. As you can see on that line, there's a little bit of a tail, but besides the 1, 2, 3, 4 spots there, all is clear after these big spots move out of the way. We'll go look at the KP index. And it looks like we're going to be jumping up to a 6 on the 19th, which was last night. We did go through a solar radiation storm, like I said in the beginning. Let's see, what else can I look at here? Let's look at the envelope graph. As you can see there's the M flare. Minor impact on Earth. Just caught the tail end of it. And there's going to be some plasma down there. So about right there. It looks like that should be around, let's see, this goes to about 10 days out, so it's the 20th now. I would say sometime early February that line of plasma will get here. But yeah, M flare, high mid M flare, M5.51 to be exact. Impacted the planet today. We'll go take a look at some of these images here so you guys can see what it looked like coming off. If they haven't already, they might have. Yeah, they did. Okay. So I can't give you guys a view of what it looked like, but you can see the arcs coming off of the right side of the sun there. Just can't get a view of it now. Again, this is showing the same thing, just a little tail end there, nothing yet. So we'll go back to the Space Weather Live. Go get a couple SDOs to end it off. Show you some more views of the M flare. Actually, let's take a look at LASCO. We haven't looked at LASCO C2 and C3. 512 by 512. Alright, you're going to see there. It's not the M flare. It's going to be on the 20th. At about, I don't know the timestamp on it. That's going to be in the 20s. Right there. There's the M flare. And actually you can see the little particles going around the camera on impact. I'll show you guys again once it happens. You'll see, I mean, you can see little stuff flying everywhere and everywhere, but watch after that big shot. You'll see the particles right there going around everywhere. Let's go look at C3. We'll end it off with the last C3 view. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Going to be putting out more videos because we do have some action coming. Take little breaks in between with work, life in general, and just not much to talk about going on up in the sun until we got some stuff coming up here. And there's the shot, and there you got the interference. So that was a dead-on solar radiation hit. So expect the impacts here in about, say, 3 days or so. And as a remember, be safe and be prepared. We're going to just end off with one more look there. And you guys have yourselves a safe and pleasant night, and I will catch you guys on the next video. You guys take care. Goodbye.